So I did not blow dry or do anything with my hair today, and it is out of control. Luckily, I was sent this new flat iron to try out. So this is a flat iron, also a curling iron, which I am not very talented at. So be patient with me as I try to curl my hair with this thing. But this is gonna be a 2-in-1 hair styler and curler. So you can use it for both things. That's gonna help eliminate all of your clutter under your sink. And when you travel, you just need one thing. But let's go ahead, open this box and then try it out. So this is gonna use that ionic technology to help straighten your hair. It has a ceramic heater, 13 temperature settings, 360-degree swivel cord, 60-minute auto shut-off, as well as an LED display. It goes from 210 degrees to 450 degrees, has 100 to 240 volts, and it has the aroma as well as the handle lock function. This is going to be 2-in-1, so it's going to be a straightener and a curler. So it comes nicely packaged in this box, so it would be the perfect gift for somebody. They include a couple of hair clips so you can separate your hair.